Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be doing a good old classic Mexican breakfast on the Blackstone Griddle. These are called, you guys ready for this? Chilaquiles. There's many ways to do it, but I'm going to show you the simplest way to do it so you guys can try it at home. My name is RJ and this is Beginner Barbecue Outdoors. Alright guys, so pretty much you have your corn, you have your egg. What I'm going to be using is queso fresco. So I have that right here. I got salsa that my wife makes. But you guys can go to your any grocery store, Walmart, Safeway, and you can buy their salsas that they got there. Not like the ones you use for chips. No, there's some like they call it ranchera salsa, ranch salsa. You'll see the word ranch and salsa. Get that one. And it kind of goes like this one. Looks like this. So either two ways to get this ready. What I like to normally do, I just grab it and just cut it in half and keep cutting it in little tiny chip sizes, or you can go a little extra and grab a knife and just cut it. Just like that, and you have your little chips here. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same on this one, and there you have it. Alright, that's pretty much the hardest part. The next one is the easy part to go cook. On that, we're going to be trying, and we're also going to be trying our new 2-in-1 thermometer. It has an infrared and one of these bad boys in there. So we're going to check the temperature of our Blackstone. I've never done that. I don't see a reason why to check the temperature on your Blackstone. A lot of people like to do it. More power to you. But I'm just going to try and see how good this infrared works. I know you guys like the infrared. This is your 2-in-1 from Thermal Pro. There'll be a link in the description. You guys want to check them out. This is their new product that just came out a few days ago. That being said, let's fire up our Blackstone. All right, guys. So let's go ahead. Where we got a 2-in-1. Turn it on, and then you hold it. And we're at 531. So that's pretty damn hot. Let's go ahead and lower it down. I had it on high this whole time. So we're going to lower it down. So let's go ahead and cook our, got to fry these bad boys. So it's good that it's that hot. So if it's yourself, you know, 3 corn tortillas is good. If there's more than you, then I would say about 3 per person. So I had it on high this whole time, so now I put these on and I put the Blackstone on low. As you can see, they're getting nice and cooked. And separate them, that way we get them all nice and crisp fried. So now that's what we're looking for. Just like that. Give them a nice crunch to it. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to add this. We're going to make our egg. Like that. Grab your cheese, queso fresco, put it on top. We add our egg and then our tortilla. We can turn this off because I'm cooking one. Alright guys, so here you have it. We have our tortilla. We're going to add a little bit more queso fresco. Man, it's going to be good. Get a little bit of that. And I like the crunch too. This is good. Just some of that yolk. This is something good. It's something easy. I remember my mom used to do this a lot. Other ways a little bit different. Like, so there's other ways. You can also, a lot of people like to add onions. So you will cut your onions, dice them up, put them in there, and mix them all together. Well, you're almost done. So you could add onions, you could add bell peppers if you guys want. I like to keep it simple for you guys. Something you guys just to start, try it out. Once you got the hang of it, then you can start making it your own. Add stuff that you guys want to add to it to make it even that much better. Cheese-wise, you can use other cheese. Some people like to use mozzarella cheese. Some people like to use Mexican blend cheese. But queso fresco always gives that great. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys, if you guys like this 2-in-1 thermometer, make sure you guys check out the link in the description for you guys to check this out. And it's only like 25 bucks. So that ain't bad. That is not bad at all. We'll see you guys next time.